Good morning, guys. It's Kobus here. And yeah, the back door. It's Kobus here from our camper dream. Yeah, this is how it looks like now. Nice and neat. But let me turn around. Then you're gonna see some stuff. There's a drain pipe. There's some attachments. We've basically almost stripped everything out again to do the electrical work. Hello for Maine. Hello. It's the van electrician. And yeah, we are busy here with all the electrics. And as you can see by all the pieces he's cut off, that he was quite busy this morning. But yeah, we fitted the aircon hole. But yeah, we're actually much further than it looks like, because some of the pieces are cut, but we must now do the electrics, so it needs to come out again and go back again. So this is like the back and forth thing. But yeah, show you some videos tomorrow, and then it's gonna all of a sudden looks like we're almost finished. Thank you guys, like and subscribe. Ciao.